In the world of industrial production, true efficiency isn't just about speed or capacity. It is fundamentally about availability. When your machines stop, your value creation stops. It is that simple and that critical. So, what does availability loss really mean? It is the ratio of your actual operating time compared to your planned production time. It is often the silent killer of productivity, hiding in the gaps between scheduled shifts and actual output. The main causes are often visible: equipment failures, sudden unplanned maintenance, and lengthy setup adjustments. These are the major stops that everyone notices, disrupting the flow and demanding immediate attention from your team. But the hidden losses are often far deadlier. We call these micro-stops and idling. Short waiting times for materials or minor jams that last only seconds often go unrecorded manually. Yet, these seconds accumulate into minutes and hours, eating away at your efficiency unnoticed day after day. The impact on your overall equipment effectiveness, or OEE, is direct and severe. It reduces your total production capacity and significantly increases your cost per unit. Every minute down is lost revenue. Prevention requires a fundamental shift from reactive fighting to proactive maintenance strategies. You must standardize changeover processes and schedule downtime smartly rather than letting it surprise you. However, the role of real-time visibility is paramount. You cannot improve what you do not measure. Automated tracking reveals the truth behind every stop, categorizing them instantly for analysis. TEEPTRAK gives you that essential visibility. Monitor, analyze, and optimize your availability today.